Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Shweta Aluwalia, your transformational therapist. This video will explain to you what transformational therapists actually do. But before we dwell into this science, let's first understand why we avoid changes in our life. Change, even positive changes, involves pain. There's the pain of letting go, facing fears, or challenging deep, ingrained belief system within ourselves. For many people, dealing with trauma or emotional pain, even the idea of changing can feel threatening, and they prefer to stay in the familiar discomfort they already know. Let's explore some more reasons why we might avoid change even when we know it's good for us. One of the most amazing and natural phenomena is the fear of the unknown. Normally, we are getting so used to live in sadness and pain that we can't even imagine what it could be to be happy, to be out of that situation. Even if your current situation is painful, it's predictable. You know there is pain and you know you've developed your own coping mechanisms to deal with it. Right? Change, on the other hand, is uncharted territory, and that can feel overwhelming and even terrifying at times. Second point could be the belief that in your system that change will hurt more. Now, people often believe the process of change, whether it's setting boundaries, healing trauma, adopting healthier habits, will be too hard. Of course, it will be too hard. They imagine the discomfort of change will outweigh the discomfort they are already experiencing. So they avoid it entirely. Now, the third point is the attachment to the familiar. Trauma and pain can create a strong sense of comfort in familiar patterns, even if they are harmful. It is like an old pair of shoes. They fit more comfortably, but they could be having a few tears in them that emotionally drain you out. It's easier to stick to that what you know. The fifth and one of the most important change, or rather the fear of change we have, is the fear of losing identity. We all identify in a particular sense, like I identify as a parent, as a caregiver, as an educator. You could be identifying and having your own set of identities. This behavior or patterns we are stuck becomes a part of our identity. You might think, who am I if I'm not the person who's always struggling? Letting go of these patterns can feel like losing a part of yourself. Sixth point is the peer pressure. We are often surrounded around with people who enjoy you being yourself, even if it's not the true self, so that they can stay in their comfort zone also. Now let's get into what does transformational therapy actually involve. Now there are two forms of therapy that are utilized to transform yourself. One, which is for the more logical and the quantitative mind, is the form of therapy, right? And the other is a form of healing. This can be towards a holistic approach towards self-healing. Now, the therapy aspect of transformational change involves emotional well-being, which helps you to release your emotional blocks, reduce your stress, and cultivate inner peace. It will help you create a work-life balance in balancing the demands of work and personal life, reducing the burnout, and enhancing productivity with a calm mind. It helps you gain self-confidence and empowerment. A lot of techniques are there to eliminate self-doubt, to release limiting beliefs and negative thought patterns, which could help you become confident and empowered. To create mental clarity and focus. Lot of tools are provided to you to create mental clarity, move away from the mental fog, focus and enhance your decision making. This helps you approach life challenges with a clear mind. The physical vitality and energy. A lot of the tools that you learn will help your body into becoming physically fit. We could use techniques that help you and which are very easy to adapt, involving small steps on a daily basis. When you are in the journey of transformation, you will find yourself even moving spiritual growth in yourself. You are offered guidance for people who are seeking spiritual connections, personal growth, and an alignment with your higher self and purposes. There is, of course, a relationship harmony. It helps you promote self-awareness, compassion, and effective communications with the people around you. That is the therapy aspect of transformational change. Now let's dwell into the healing aspects of transformational change. This could involve a lot of healing modalities that you could learn in the journey of transformations. I offer the expertise of Reiki healing, crystal therapy, and Ho'oponopono. Reiki is a holistic energy healing practices that work on the principles of channeling universal life force energy to support the body's natural healing process. It can benefit people in the various ways. Promotes relaxation and self-healing by reducing the stress. It induces deep relaxation, calming the nervous system, and helps the body within the energy flow. It helps you to identify and remove blocks or imbalances in the body's energy pathway, which we call the chakras and the meridians, the nadis. When energy flows freely, it enhances physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Healing modalities help you heal emotionally. It helps you release negative emotions like anger, fear, sadness, replacing all of this with calmness, clarity, positivity. This can help individuals overcome the past traumas and emotional wounds. It, of course, helps in physical healing also. It also helps you with gaining mental clarity and focus, releasing all the mental fog, and helps you making decisions better. It encourages spiritual growth. It can deepen your relationship and connection with the universe, fostering a sense of purpose and inner peace. It strengthens your relationships and provides you to cultivate more harmony in your life. Now, these are the aspects of transformational therapy. So, whatever and whichever form of transformation that you seek, please do so that you are unstuck from all the mental fog and you can align yourself to be the true you and move towards a better and a happier journey in life. Thank you for seeing this video. This is Dr. Shweta Aluwalia, your transformational therapist. Thank you.